A chat with Glendora, a show for living right. A chat with Glendora makes your day so bright. Words of inspiration, jokes to make you smile. Come relax and chat with Glendora for a while.
2, 1.
My dear folks, we have some beautiful pictures that will enliven you. And who sent us this beautiful calendar? Stephanie?
The Nature Conservancy.
Nature Conservancy. And what is their address?
Their address is, let's see, it doesn't list their address anywhere.
Okay. Just stay with me a minute. Okay, we'll get it for you later, folks. We will procure the address for you later. Stephanie, would you show us one of their beautiful pictures?
Yes, I will. All right, I'm showing the tigers.
Oh, is there any writing to go with those beautiful tigers?
Just that they're Bengal tiger mother and cubs.
Are they cute?
Yes, they are.
How many cubs?
2.
Oh, isn't that sweet? Do you have another picture, Steph?
I do. I have a nice picture of a mountain range.
Oh, where is that? Does it tell you where it is?
Mount Fitzroy in Argentina.
Wow. Thank you, Conservancy. What else, honey?
A picture of 2 chickadees.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Are they married?
They look like it. They're both on a sunflower.
On a sunflower?
Yeah, it was taken in New York.
Really?
Yes.
Where?
It just says New York, USA.
Wow.
And the next one is pictures of the redwood forest.
Yes, the redwood forest. Oh, the redwood forest. What a treasure. Go ahead, honey.
All right, the next one is a picture of blossoming hedgehog cactus and barrel cactus in California.
Really?
Yes.
And next, hon?
Is a picture of a brown bear with salmon.
Oh?
Yeah, he's swimming in the water.
Oh, he's all wet?
Yes, he's all wet.
Are they known to be good swimmers?
Yes, they are.
Oh, yeah. And where is this happening?
This is in Alaska.
Ooh. Is it a Kodiak bear?
It might, it says brown bear.
Oh, brown bear. Okay.
Yeah. The next is a bunch of fishes. They are diagonal banded sweet lips.
What are they, dear?
They're called diagonal banded sweet lips.
I don't know what that is, hon.
They're a bluish fish with yellow fins.
Ooh, really?
Yes. And it was taken in Australia.
Australia?
Mm-hmm.
Listen, folks, let's just stop and say we have a wonderful God. We have a brilliant God creating these grand beauties and excitements. Okay. Our moment of worship continues with what?
A squeaking silk moth.
What are they, dear?
It's a moth. It's a very fuzzy looking moth.
Oh.
He's very cute.
Really?
Yes. Kind of like a bumblebee.
Ha-ha.
All right. The next one is zebra.
Wait a second, Steph. Where do they come from?
The moth, China.
Oh, China.
Yes.
Boy, Nature Conservancy, you do great work. Next, honey.
All right. The next is zebra. A zebra herd. Yep. In Kenya.
In Kenya.
Yes.
Amazing. Amazing.
The next is a gecko from Hong Kong.
What is that, honey?
A gecko is a type of lizard.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And looks like any lizard that we know?
No, I've never seen one quite like that, no.
Does he look like a crocodile?
No, he is a white and tan lizard with some brown spots.
And how big is he, dear?
Oh, he looks to be probably about the size of your hand.
Oh, okay. Pretty.
Yes.
Thrilling. What's next?
All right, the next one is a picture of the cypress swamp in Texas.
From where?
In Texas.
Wow. Did you ever see anything like it?
No, I've never seen the cypress swamp in Texas. It's very pretty.
Nature Conservancy for taking us all over the world and showing us these wonders that we've never imagined.
Yes. All right, the next one is a funny picture of 3 Indian wolves.
Indian what, dear?
Wolves?
Wolves?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Do they look like dogs?
They do. They look like they're playing like dogs. They're having fun.
Mala, did you hear that? There's wolves and they look like dogs. We have a Mala dog here.
Yes, we do. And let's see.
And she has a raincoat. I bet you those wolves don't have raincoats.
I bet they don't.
And
no.
I bet you they don't have booties.
No, they don't. All right, the last one is a picture of a northern flicker.
A northern what, dear?
A northern flicker. It's a type of bird.
It's a bird?
Yes.
Are they as big as a blue jay?
Doesn't look to be, more like the size of a finch.
Oh, well, that's small.
Yeah.
And where are they growing up?
Connecticut.
Connecticut.
Mm-hmm.
Let me hear that again then, please, the name of them.
Northern flicker.
Well, this has been a thrill. Now, I'm going to send some money to Nature Conservancy. I am thrilled with what they're giving us. Would you pause the camera? You can show it on the screen.
Yes, I'm ready.
5, 4, 3, 2. Dear Stephanie, do you have a picture of the address for Nature
Conservancy? Yes, I do.
Would you give it to the people, please?
Yeah, it's at 425 North Fairfax Drive, Suite 100, Arlington, VA 22203.
Oh, this is good. I am going to send them money. Would you pause the camera again? How about some jokes? Stephanie, what do you have for jokes?
Shovel snow.
No, honey.
Oh, I saw the whole thing happen.
Yes, 2 cars collided, folks, and a third car pulled up, and a man got out of the third car, and he said, I saw the whole thing happen. I'm a lawyer, and I'll take either side.
Oh, that's funny.
That Mala dog laughed too.
I think she was. She's sitting there underneath your feet.
And Glennie will scratch your neck, honey.
Yeah. The next one is ideal contract.
To a lawyer, an ideal contract consists of print too small to read and words too big to pronounce.
Yeah, that seems about right. Nursery school teacher.
The nursery school teacher took the children for a walk, and as they're walking along, the nursery school teacher said, children, there's at least one thing that we can all be thankful for. We are all free. And the little 4-year-old said, I am not free, I am poor.
That's cute. I like that one.
That is cute.
Yeah. If you can't get a lawyer.
What, dear?
If you can't get a lawyer.
Yes, if you can't get a lawyer who knows the law, then for heaven's sakes, get one who knows the judge.
That's a good one too. All right, so that's it for the jokes.
Okay, on the back of that paper, are there any jokes?
No.
Okie dokie. Could you pause the camera and see if we can find...
Fine. Retainer?
Retainer. The lawyer said, okay, I'll take your case on a retainer basis. That will cost you $2,000 and entitles you to 2 questions. And the client says, 2 questions, $2,000? Isn't that expensive? The lawyer said, perhaps. What's your second question?
Oh, that's so bad. All right. Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Said the lawyer, the bricks in the wall were loose. We've got a great case. We will sue Mother Goose.
Oh, that's good too. All right. Right side of body.
Folks, do you know that the right side of the body is controlled by the left side of the brain? And did you know that the left side of the body is controlled by the right side of the brain? Therefore, only those people who are left-handed are in their right minds. Are you left-handed, Steph?
No, I'm right-handed.
Okay.
I'm in my left mind. All right. Bought a new apartment.
A little boy was telling his friend, my uncle and aunt bought a new apartment and they call it a pandemonium. All right, and the man said to his friend, do you have to keep wearing those crutches? You've been on those crutches for a long time. And the man says, well, my doctor says I can, but the lawyer says I can't. And one more lawyer joke. The lawyer said to the judge, I want a new trial on the basis of new evidence. And the judge says, what's the new evidence? And the lawyer said, I just found out my client has another $10,000. Okay, folks, thank you very much, lawyers. Bye-bye, everybody. And thank you, Stephanie.
You're very welcome, Glendora.
And bye-bye, Maladog.